Hi, I'm Ben from Internetchy, and you just requested some information about Internetchy websites, and I want to show you how to get a free website for your home inspection business, and also Internetchy's official vendor for website designs. They design websites for all Internetchy members, and I'll show you that. So go to this page, wix.com, wix.com, and click on their pricing, and then there's the pricing plans that they have. Really good platform for designing your own website. And the free package is you sign up for the light package, and it's free for the first 14 days. The problem is you got to do it yourself, right? So we recommend going to Internetchy's official vendor for website designs, and that's at nachi.org/website. Nachi, nachi.org/website. Or go to Google and type in Inspector Website Builder. Inspector Website Builder. And there it is there, Inspector Website Builder. And Inspector Website Builder is Internetchy's official vendor for website designs. They design all of our Internetchy member websites, and it's a small one-time fee. You get the website design custom to your business, and it's all SEO'd out, and you get a domain, and you own the website. It also has analytics and also a chat feature and a scheduling feature. It's really good. So you can do it for free, but on your own, or you can use Internetchy's official vendor for website designs. And I have a 10% discount for you. If you email me back, ben@internetchy.org, I'll send you the coupon code for Inspector Website Builder discount. All right, thanks.